Welcome. In this activity, we will be learning how to submit an assignment. So let's take a look at our learning target. I can submit an assignment. Our criteria for success: watch the video. We're doing that now. Make a submission. That's what we have to do. Make a submission. So how do we do that? We'll scroll down to the bottom, and we can see here, add submission button. Let's click that. This will open up a box that we can write in. Online text. So all we have to, and here there's this toolbar. We can do all kinds of stuff. We can type in it. Type hello world. We can take a picture. We can record audio. We can record video. We can insert a picture. Insert emojis. Right. What else we got? And this guy skiing. You can make it larger, extra large. All right. And then to submit, all we have to do is click Save Changes. Ta-da! And we did it. We made a submission. That's all there is to it.